Man, what I enjoyed the most about my time in Sydney is definitely got to be the beaches. I absolutely loved it. I'm Nikolas. I'm in my 5th year of civil engineering, and the reason I chose Strathclyde in particular is just because it had the best reputation for engineering. The thing that attracted me to go and study abroad, as soon as I found out that Sydney was an option, it was the idea of being able to go to the beach and study somewhere nice and sunny. A really great opportunity just to see something different, another side of the world. Strathclyde gave me loads of support when I was about to go abroad. They had quite regular meetings for people that were about to depart. They gave us lots of support from people who had already been to our destinations, and they helped every step of the way. So it was really good to have something reassuring in that sense. So there's about 5 or 6 people from Strathclyde that I went with. I actually didn't know any of them too well before I left. I just remember getting there on the first day and bumping into one of the guys and just went, "Oh, you're Nick, you're from Strathclyde." I'm like, "Oh, you're Rory, you're from Strathclyde too." And that was just how we kind of got along, and we just had a great time since then. I was staying in the student accommodation, and with the student accommodation, it was right next to the Sydney Central Station, so I could be in a beach in half an hour. It was incredible. There's lots of surfing for beginner courses around every single beach almost. And so me and the guys just went on multiple of those courses. Some of the guys even brought surfboards whilst they were out there. I went with some mates up to Cairns and Brisbane to go see the Great Barrier Reef, to the Gold Coast. I think the exchange was really beneficial in the sense that I got to see something new. I really got to put myself in a new situation which I hadn't experienced before. It was quite nerve-wracking going somewhere completely new, and I think I'm the better for it. I'm able to say, yeah, I've done that. If I can do that, I can do loads more. In terms of a career, I think it also demonstrates that you're willing to take new challenges. And I've had quite a few interviews, and I've mentioned this, of course, and they think, "Oh, fantastic, this guy's willing to take a challenge." Plans for the future, I've thankfully got a job lined up starting in September. I'm going to be joining Atkins Realis just down here in Glasgow. They do have offices over there, so I'm hoping to see if maybe in the future I'll be able to try convince them along, say, "Hey, do you need anyone in Australia?" I'm happy to go.